A viewer mentioned this item in my comments. I looked it up on Amazon and I've never put something in my Amazon cart so fast. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my latest Amazon finds, including some of the most genius travel essentials that I've ever seen. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I have to say this year has been one of the very best I have found for Amazon travel essentials that are just really smart, really make traveling and cruising a lot better, a lot easier. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the new items that I got. And I will throw in a couple of fashion finds because depending on when you're seeing this video, you may happen to like them. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention two things. First, all of the items that I'm talking about in today's video, as well as other cruise essentials or travel essentials that are just really good, I'm going to have them linked down below in the description of the video, as well as a pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Okay, I want to start off with one of the most viral products right now, and this is the Loop Switch 2. Now, the Loop are earplugs and people are just loving them. My husband Frank is really liking, he has the Quiet 2s, and this is actually something that I just got for him as a little bit of a gift because I think he's really going to like these. Now, the Switch 2, what this does is it actually gives you the ability to choose 3 different settings depending on the type of hearing experience that you want to have. Now, you can either choose the engage mode, which filters the background noise, but you can still be open to conversations, the experience mode, which is great for live events, and the quiet mode for a peaceful, quiet bubble. Now, something that's really cool about the Loop Switch 2, and by the way, the Loop earplugs in general, they have this, but it is that there are actually different sizes. So you just need to purchase one and then you can see which size fits your ear or the person that you might be giving this to. Okay, let's move on to something that is pretty genius, but is much more practical. So something I got is a lint roller. And this is just like a regular lint roller, but you can see it really is much smaller. And it is a travel size. Now, I bought this a few months ago before we were traveling to Europe and we were going on a Mediterranean cruise. And I was looking for some different items that were sort of, let's just call them anti-theft. And I definitely saw these everywhere. Very handy. You just put this into your phone case and you can actually wear this over your shoulder, around your neck, or crossbody. A suitcase style backpack. Now, I've had a lot of people say that I should be trying out more backpacks. And I think that some people know that my preference really is to have a weekender style bag. I absolutely have a couple of favorites. I'm going to link those down below. But a few weeks ago, I did show a Love Look backpack. Still absolutely love that one. And I am going to be using that shortly. But some of the viewers said they really did want to see one that maybe was a little bit more, let's just say a little bit more either masculine or a little bit less feminine. So this one is by the brand Matine or Matine. And it's great in terms of the space and size. You also have, over here, you have a little compartment. And if you are looking for a lightweight backpack that you can kind of pack up almost like a carry-on suitcase, this is a good one. Oh, I almost forgot. Oftentimes I do these videos and I buy a few different things, and honestly, some of them are great and I share them with you, but other items are absolute fails. So at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you one item that I was hoping, I really wanted to but it just really wasn't a very good quality. It was flimsy, and I will share it with you anyway, because some people said that they do want to see some of the fails. And either way, let me know what you think. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I haven't used it right. I'll share that at the end of this video. All right, I do have to share with you what I think is absolutely one of the most genius finds, not only for when you're traveling and for when you're cruising, but even for every day, but especially when you are going on a cruise. And then after that, I have more genius items, plus some of the fashion and clothing finds. So this is actually a MagSafe phone wallet. Now, I have two different kinds, so I'm going to show you the other kind as well, because I think depending on what you're using it for, you may prefer the other or you may prefer this one. Now, you can see this is really smart. So you've got your, where you can keep a credit card, cruise card in here. Keep that closed up. You could even keep a cruise card handy here. And I think that this would be really good because when you are making purchases on the ship or getting a drink, this would be very convenient. The nice thing about this is it is a magnet, goes right on your case. And if you look at this, what is super smart is, look, it becomes a stand. So when you're on the airplane and you want to watch something on your phone, you could actually use this. Now, speaking of the MagSafe phone wallet, there is another version. Now, this one is a little bit more expensive, so I would only get it if you think that this is going to be convenient for you, but I think it's really smart. So the same idea, you're going to place that right onto the back of your phone or phone case. And now you've got a place where you can actually keep two cards in this. And then this part here, well, it kind of, if you can get the idea, it folds up the same way. But it becomes a stand. It's very pliable. So you can make your phone lean all the way back or a little bit higher. This is good to use as a little mini tripod. So if you are maybe on FaceTime sometimes and you want to be hands-free, or maybe you are making content of some sort, this could be very useful. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I am going to leave the links to these items as well as everything else that I'm showing you in the video down below in the description, as well as a pinned comment. Heavy-duty magnets that you could use on your cruise cabin walls or your ceiling. So you're going to add extra vertical storage space if you want. Now, the trick is, and I realize not everybody knows which magnets to purchase. So let me show you. These are not minis. You know, they're not super big, but they're not minis. I've seen the minis. They're not going to hold very much. It's going to hold your lanyard if you bring it, but really not much else. This is going to hold a sweater or even sometimes a backpack, depending on how much it weighs. Or otherwise, what I've done is I just put two side by side and I've hung up a pretty stuffed backpack. Now, again, these are heavy duty. I'm going to leave my favorites linked down below. Now, speaking of cabins and magnets, I have been told I do not mention this enough, so I do want to share it with you. This is a magnetic held fan. So you can see there's a magnet here. This will hold onto your cabin walls, or you can just place it directly, you know, onto your desk if you want. But yeah, you can put it right on your cabin wall, and you can have it, you can have it facing you. You can put it on your ceiling. That's what some people do. And this is going to be charged, by the way, with USB, and you can keep this running all night if you want. Magnet cabin decorations. Now you can put these on your door, and I wanted to show you, this comes in a set with, I guess it must be about 20 pieces or so. But something that occurred to me, is that if you have children, these could be really fun to actually just put right on the cabin walls or on the door, but on the side that you see. And this way your kids can kind of move them around and they can decorate the cabin. Now, we are going to be a little bit cheesy on our next cruise, as I've bought some magnet door decorations as well as some other things for the family cruise that we're going on. So I'll actually take a little bit of video of that and I'll share that with you in an upcoming video. The Inui Fast Charger. Now, there are so many great chargers out there, but Inui is absolutely one of my favorite brands. They every year keep putting out chargers that charge faster and faster. Now, there are two types of chargers that I really like. One of them has the built-in cables, but this is still the fastest one. So I always just keep this when I'm flying, especially. I just keep a cord, you know, a little charger wire just attached, and then I wrap it up. I keep this in my personal bag or my tote when I'm on the airplane. I travel with this all the time because this will charge like two phones fully, and charge them very quickly, I think in about a half an hour. All right, I do want to show you a couple of new fashion finds, jewelry finds. So one of my new, I guess we'll just call them fashion finds, but these are leggings by the brand Shapermint. And if you've ever used Shapermint for shapewear, these leggings will do the same. Now, I have to admit, when I first saw them and I felt them, I thought they are not as comfortable as like a Lululemon on the outside, but on the inside, they're actually very comfortable. So that is something really good. And they do hold everything in. So if you are looking even just for every day for a legging or for something to wear, you know, under a skirt or something like that, if you live in a cold climate, I think you'll definitely like these. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to mention the airplane pocket. Just when I'm talking about items that are absolutely genius that you could use in an airplane, if you don't have one of these yet, you definitely want to pick one up. You place this right over your tray when you're in an airplane. And by the way, I've been told this does not work if you are sitting in business class, but if you're in economy, I think it is going to work. And then what you can do is you can use these pockets and you can place, you know, your phone, you can place your gum, you can place your earpods or any other items, a book, you can place all of that in here, have everything in its place and not have to put your hands right into those pockets when you don't know how many Kleenexes have been in there. And when you get home from your travels, you can just throw it into a washing machine and take it out. Now I got two little pieces of jewelry and I happen to like the little fun jewelry from Amazon. So I got this little necklace. So it's a little heart. I just think that it's kind of cute. I like that. And then I got these earrings that I'm loving. So these are these bows, and I just think there's just a little sparkle to the bows that I just think that they are very pretty. Okay, I almost forgot to show you my absolute fail. So what is my fail? I really wanted this to work. Now this is actually gosh, it looks like such a mess, but I really was hopeful that this could work. This is a hanging shelf. So in concept, it's great. I've had one before, but I saw this one and it's got these side pockets. So I was really hopeful that this could be fantastic. But the problem is it's very, very flimsy. You can see there's just no support over here at the shelves. There's actually one sort of cardboard piece that comes with it. But it's not enough. There are 3 shelves. And the other thing is, I don't know if you can see it. It's just not very wide. So while I think it could be good, maybe it could be good for very young children or something like that. But otherwise, it's just not the right size. Now, if I do find a better one, I will leave that down in the comments or the description below. But if you found a better one that you like, please do let me know. Now, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.